A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant move aimed at curbing visa overstays, the United States is set to launch a pilot program requiring bonds of up to $15,000 for certain tourist and business visas. This initiative, announced by the Department of State, will commence on August 20th and is designed to target B1 and B2 visa applicants from countries with high overstay rates. While the specific nations involved have not yet been disclosed, the program is expected to serve as both a deterrent for potential overstayers and a diplomatic tool to encourage better screening practices by foreign governments. The pilot program is projected to generate approximately $20 million over the next year, a figure that underscores the financial implications of such a policy. Historically, the State Department has been cautious about requiring bonds from travelers, citing the cumbersome nature of processing these financial guarantees. However, this new initiative marks a shift in strategy, reminiscent of a proposal from the Trump administration that sought to impose similar requirements on travelers from countries with overstay rates exceeding 10%. That initiative was never fully realized, but set the stage for the current program. Under the new rules, travelers will be required to post a bond that will be refunded upon their departure from the U.S., their naturalization as citizens, or in the unfortunate event of their death. This aspect of the program aims to ensure compliance with visa terms and conditions, a goal that has become increasingly relevant in light of rising overstay statistics. The announcement also comes on the heels of other immigration-related policies, including a recent directive for U.S. diplomats to scrutinize the social media activity of foreign students applying for educational and exchange visas. This new layer of oversight raises questions about privacy and the potential for discrimination against applicants who may be hesitant to disclose their online presence. As the pilot program approaches its launch date, the State Department plans to publish a list of the targeted countries on its website, providing at least 15 days' notice before the program takes effect. This transparency is essential, as it allows potential applicants to prepare for the new requirements. Critics of the program argue that imposing such financial barriers could disproportionately affect individuals from lower-income countries, limiting their ability to travel to the U.S. for business or tourism. Proponents, however, believe that the bonds will serve as a necessary deterrent against visa overstays, which have been a growing concern for U.S. immigration officials. The implications of this pilot program could be far-reaching, potentially setting a precedent for future immigration policies and shaping the landscape of U.S. travel and tourism. As the government prepares to roll out these changes, the impact on international relations and the perception of the U.S. as a travel destination remains to be seen. With the ongoing discussions surrounding immigration reform and border security, this pilot program is just one of many steps the U.S. is taking to address the complexities of its immigration system and ensure that non-immigrants adhere to the terms of their visas. As the world watches closely, the outcome of this initiative could influence future policy decisions and the overall approach to immigration in the United States. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.